Hi everyone, today I'm gonna show you guys how to make one of my favorite Cambodian dish and also popular in Cambodia as well. It's called stir-fry Luffa Gourd with glass noodles. It's not complicated, it's simple and easy to cook. Now let's get to the point. First of all, I put glass noodles soaking in the water along with dry black fungus mushroom, dry shrimp and fried pork skin. About 10 minutes or until softened. Most Cambodian people, they would soak this in water in separate bowl, but I just soak everything all together whatsoever. And by the way, all these ingredients are easy to find at Asian market. While those are soaking, I peel the Luffa Gourd and I cut into small pieces. I would prefer more Luffa Gourd. Another two of them would be perfect, but I only have one left. If you can't get Luffa Gourd, you can use hairy gourd, winter melon, zucchini as a substitute. Then I continue to prepare minced pork. For those who don't eat meat, you can use egg instead. And don't forget to wash your vegetable and meat. I'm not gonna show you that part. Now heat oil in the frying pan over medium heat. Add in the minced garlic and fry until fragrant. Then add minced pork and stir fry for about 2 minutes. Toast in fresh shrimp along with soaked pork skin, dry shrimp, black fungus mushroom. Stir fry until fragrant and slightly crispy. Then add fish sauce, oyster sauce, soy sauce, sugar, black pepper and mix them all well. I don't be sure of how much seasoning ingredient I put in. I kind of get used to it and take a guess of everything. So you can start with small of those seasoning ingredients and build it up to your preference. Now toast in a Luffa Gourd and add a bit of water, or you can use chicken stock, then mix well. And then after that, add the glass noodle and cover it up until it becomes soft to your liking, or until the gravy is almost absorbed by the glass noodles. I prefer mine with some gravy. Lastly, garnish with green onion. That's it. Here it is. Looks great, doesn't it? You can justify by watching it. You gotta give it a try and test it. The subtle light texture and flavor of a Luffa Gourd toast with the glass noodle, garlic, minced pork, black fungus mushroom and dry shrimp. It's just the perfect combination. This dish is delicious and satisfying, one of my favorite ever. By the way, if you don't know, Luffa Gourd is rich in vitamin A, B and C and contain minerals like potassium, magnesium and copper. Hope you learned something today and give it a try. Thanks for watching and I'll see you guys in the next video.